Hey future scientists, welcome back to another enlightening session of 3D questions from STEAMspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, here to guide you through the intriguing principles of light and its travel paths. Today, we're examining how light behaves when it encounters different surfaces. For those of you who need a quick recap or joining us for the very first time, click the link at the top right corner for additional resources. So you ready to jump into today's hands-on experiment? We've prepared a scenario where a student is shining a flashlight toward two different surfaces, a flat mirror and a rough wall. This will help us understand how light behaves when it reflects off smooth versus rough surfaces. Quick recap, remember reflection occurs when light bounces off a surface. Smooth surfaces like mirrors reflect light in a predictable manner, while rough surfaces scatter light in many directions. So here's your task. Observe the diagram and think about how the light will behave when it hits each surface. Here's your question for part A. How will the light behave when it reflects off each surface? So go ahead and select two correct answers. Answer choice A. The light will reflect off the mirror in a single predictable direction. Quick tip, consider how smooth surfaces like mirrors reflect light. Does the light bounce off in a specific direction? Answer choice B. The light will scatter in many directions when it hits a rough wall. Quick tip, think about how rough surfaces interact with light. Does the light scatter or reflect uniformly? Answer choice C. The light will pass through the mirror and continue in a straight line. Quick tip, reflect on the nature of mirrors. Do they allow light to pass through or reflect it? Answer choice D. The light will be absorbed completely by the rough wall. Here's your quick tip. Consider whether rough surfaces absorb all the light or if some light is reflected. So go ahead and choose your answers and proceed to part B. Here's your question for part B. Based on your understanding from part A, how does the behavior of light in this scenario apply to real-world applications? Go ahead and select two correct answers. Answer choice A. It helps in designing reflective surfaces for safety equipment. Here's your quick tip. Think about how reflection is used in safety gear to make objects more visible. Answer choice B. It explains why we can see a reflection in a mirror, but not on a rough wall. Here's your quick tip. Reflect on the differences in light behavior on smooth and rough surfaces. How does this affect visibility? Answer choice C. It shows how light can be used to illuminate uneven surfaces effectively. Here's your quick tip. Consider how light scattering on rough surfaces can be utilized in lighting design. Answer choice D. It is crucial in understanding how light behaves in various environments. Here's your quick tip. Think about the broader implications of light behavior in both natural and artificial settings. So go ahead and engage with the diagram. Reflect on how the type of surface affects the paths of the light. This hands-on scenario is a practical application to deepen your understanding of light behavior and its interactions with different surfaces. Here's your final tip. As you observe the diagram, try to hypothesize about how light's behavior changes with different surfaces and discuss how this knowledge could be applied in fields like engineering and design. This activity will enhance your analytical skills, scientific reasoning, and problem-solving capabilities. Be sure to jot down your observations, decisions, and conclusions in your Lvl Up Workbook. This exercise will expand your knowledge of physics and prepare you for more complex scientific questions. Keep watching our channel for more educational and insightful content. So let's continue to foster our passion for science and learning.